Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles east of West Cameron, 342 or 41 nautical miles east of High Island A80, moving east at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large destructive hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in personal injury and significant structural damage. Locations impacted include West Cameron WC303, East Cameron at 122, East Cameron 109, West Cameron 215, West Cameron 248, West Cameron 205, East Cameron 81, West Cameron 269, West Cameron 368, West Cameron 178, East Cameron 71, West Cameron 198, East Cameron 157, Vermilion 164, West Cameron 192, Vermilion 161, and East Cameron 160. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm